Hello guys, today we are playing FC 26 today as it's the next gaming video that just released, so we will be playing FC 26. Now I'm going to be rebuilding my favourite club, Wolverhampton Wanderers. Recently they've just been relegated from the Championship and I'm going to take over. So let's see how I get on. So we will be back for when I become the manager. So as I'm the new Wolves manager, let's see if I can improve or not improve. Well, as I come in, we will be doing stuff. Right. So first of all, I'm going to check our budget, which is 63 million. So, right, now, Wolves Villa in the academy. Right, so I'm going to make a signing from Fulham. Raul Jimenez. He's coming. He comes. Yeah, we really need to be. What? My budget, seriously. You may be spending that much on him. I know. And we signed Raul Jimenez. As he comes in to the club, easy. Now we added Raul. Now let me check. Still 63 million. So we're going to start. Simeon, Days. 3, 2, 1. So this is just going to be starting. Now we are going to be looking how we start off this season. So basically I'm going to be rebuilding Wolves all the way down from the Championship to the Champions League. I know it will be a hard journey, but we're going to do it. And if we don't do it, we'll do it with one of the hardest teams to win the Champions League. And next we're going to be rebuilding Northampton Town, as they've just been recently relegated. Right, we've ended the season on 20 as it starts. Right now. Now then we just do all it. It's time for the prayer. So, as we're in the EFL Championship, so as we're going to start the video, Raul Jimenez incoming to Wolves. Si, senor. Let's see if they give him the number 9 shirt. 9. Number 9. Do they give him the number 9? So, now as it goes. Raul Jimenez. The Wolves. Number 7. So, in the EFL Championship, we're going to make a next shocker signing of Harry Wilson. We'll be back for that. So, we're back. We've just signed Harry Wilson to Wolverhampton Wanderers. As he is. Here. He comes. I've made the signing over the line. Before we'll see what number he has. Bang. He's in the Wolves place. The best place he should be at. Number 7! Raul Jimenez had number 7, so they must have changed numbers, so oh well. And it's the Championship as well. Alright, we will simulate a couple of days. So, skip. So, don't. You're probably wondering why I've done that. So, let's check out the fixtures. So, as the fixtures go on, Luton at home, first fixture. You can see all of them if you can. Right, we're going to lose to West Ham away because we normally lose West Ham away sometimes. West Brom away. And nobody stays. And Burnley for the final fixture as it's saved. So, we will be back for when the season ends. Hi guys, I sadly got sacked, but advance. So no, I'm not going to Racing Santander. So if I went to Harrogate, I wonder what happened if I went to Harrogate Town. Yeah. Right now, 1 mil per week. It's down. Time for League 2. Right. So, one last time at Harrogate. Now, Harrogate on there. So, I wonder how I'll get on. Right, I'm going to simulate and then I'll be back. Sorry about that, I forgot it was paused, so we will see you on Saturday for the admin abuse. And what game shall I play for admin abuse? Drop down below. Bye guys!